Recent statements from the ICC indicating the possibility of having Ruto in Sang's cases heard and tried either in Kenya or Tanzania have drawn a wide range of opinion. In its recommendation to the ICC presidency, the trial chamber number 5 judges stated that while the seat of the court is in The Hague, where the court considers that it will be in the interest of justice, it may decide to sit in a state other than the Netherlands. But why do the judges appear to have softened their stance, having earlier indicated that the cases could not be tried locally?
Now, from a political perspective, you can actually say that the ICC may be reacting to some sort of political pressure or sentiments. That's from a political perspective, because you can't really explain the coincidence that they are making this decision shortly after the African resolution.
So the African as a union says this. If you look at it as a union, it says, you, the ICC, we are members there, and you're conducting yourselves in subordinating the African dignity by targeting the Africans, especially in the context of the Kenyan cases, where Kenyans themselves, exercising their sovereignty, have elected the president and the deputy president. You vilify them in the eyes of the world by trying them allegedly for atrocities committed by the same people who elected them.
These two local experts could be as a result of the onslaught against the ICC by the African leaders at their recent summit in Addis Ababa.
There is the legal side which they're pursuing, but again they live in a political environment, especially the cases that they followed a result of a political process, meaning an election. Then the persons that are trying are now president and deputy president, who have been thrust now into the international arena in a union of presidents, who then will of course protect one of their own.
And that these could subsequently see the court also refer the hearing and trial of President Kenyatta's case to Arusha or Nairobi as well.
I don't see what is special about the other case regarding the president, because circumstances are the same and the issues arose from the same. There is nothing really distinct.
The experts believe that this is the first in many concessions the Hague-based court will be making as it seeks to redefine itself before an African membership that has vehemently depicted it as being discriminative against the continent.
It's just trying to negotiate a way out of this political situation that ICC finds itself. Remember that there is the legal side which they're pursuing, but again they live in a political environment, especially the cases that they followed a result of a political process, meaning an election.
At the end of the day, what you are trying to look for is justice. Now, justice must not only be done, but must be seen to be done. Now, to be seen to be done, I think the ICC judges are trying to make a decision that whatever decision they come out with at the end of the day would have legitimacy at that level. That we have the people are asking that we have this locally done, and we have done it, and we have given a forum that probably parties feel more comfortable.
The experts hold the view that as much as it is a legal issue, the ICC is slowly considering the political ramifications of its discourse and will not want to contemplate losing the African membership in its chain. Eric Biegon, reporting for the News Hour.